guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Siena Beauty. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if not, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a glowy sort of natural look. This look is going to be easy, it's going to be really quick and fast, and it's going to look really cool and beautiful, and yeah. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am wearing a fake tan right now. So we're going to be matching to that. This kind of actually inspired my whole look today because my face, all the fake tan on my face wore off, so it's very pale. So I have to wear foundation anyway, so I'm like, why not just make it look super glowy and beautiful and amazing, and yeah. So today I'm going to be going with the L'Oreal True Match, and this is in the shade N3. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with this super cheap brush from Amazon. I think it's about to break. Ew. Just gonna get this all evenly over my brush. So now I'm gonna be applying it sort of how I use my beauty blender. I kind of do this patting motion and also kind of like circle motions. So because my face is different than the rest of my body right now, it's crucial to get all the way down on your neck because we do not want to look weird, and we don't want it to look like we're wearing makeup. We want it to look really natural. So now I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer, and this is in Fair, because this is what I would normally use, but because I'm tan right now, this is a great highlighter, so it's pretty great. What I found with this product is use very, very small amounts, because if you don't, it will be impossible to blend, and it gets really gross and streaky. So I'm going to do like that much, and that's it. I'm kind of doing this like upside down triangle shape because that's where I want it to look highlighted, I guess. And I'm actually going to blend my finger today, so take this all the way on top of my cheekbone, sort of like a highlight. Like, look how crazy that is. So now I'm going to highlight some other parts of my face. So I'm going to do a little bit on my nose here, on my forehead, and on my cupid's bow. I'm going to blend it the same way with my finger. I'm really sorry about the lighting. The sun is being really weird today. Like, it goes behind the clouds and then all of a sudden it's like super sunny. What is happening? Alright, so I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder in 100. I think this is the lightest shade they have. And I'm going to go in with my beauty blender here and just get some on there. And I'm going to be setting where I put the concealer. Now I'm doing a light shade because this is going to help make it more glowy and highlighted. Alright, so I'm going to be going in with the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster, and this is in the shade Light to Medium. And I am just going to put this on the contour of my cheeks. And then a trick I learned is you can put some right here, and it really thins your face. And I'm going to put some on my forehead. So we're bringing it down to the temples. And lastly, I'm going to go on my jawline here. And then all the way down my neck too. Alright, so next we are going to be highlighting. I'm going into my little compact here from NARS. And we're going to be going into Hot Sand. And we're going to be going right along right on top of our cheekbone. I'm also going to go down the bridge of my nose. Basically wherever we put the concealer, I'm going to be highlighting, except not under my eyes because, I don't know, I don't want to do that today. Alright, so now I'm going to be doing my brows, and I'm just going to comb them real quick. And then I'm using my Too Faced Brow Envy powder here. Obviously I've used this a lot. We've hit pan in both and I'm so sad. So I'm going to be going in with the brunette color here and be using this at my tail of my brow. If you don't already have a good brow shape, I recommend using a brow pencil, but because I want to go a little more natural today, I'm just going to be using the powder. Alright, and then I'm going to be going in with the color right next to it, which is the blonde color. And now we're going to be putting this at the front of the brow. Alright, so now with eyes, I'm going to do something super, super, super simple. I'm just going to be going in to my Naked 3 Urban Decay palette. I think I'm going to go in to Limit right here. And I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. Alright, and then we going into my favorite eyeshadow brush, which is from Glamour Dolls. No idea what brush it is, but it's kind of tapered at the end. And I'm going to be going in to Nooner here. I wonder, is it Nooner? Noner? I don't know. And I'm just going to be putting this in the crease from the inside of my eye all the way to the outside. Alright, and because we're going for a super glowy, glam kind of look, I'm going to be going in to dust in here in my finger. And I'm going to be applying this to the inner part of my eye. I'm just going to be putting it underneath my brow, on my brow bone, just whatever is left over on my finger. Alright, and then now is when I would do my lashes, but because I have false lashes on, I'm not going to be doing that today, but I can brush them. Alright, I'm just going to be brushing my lashes, pretend I'm applying mascara. Alright, and then lastly for lips, I'm going to be using one of these. I still don't know. These are the little Stila liquid lips. They're so adorable, and oh my gosh, are these amazing. They go on so smooth and dry, and honestly they stay on forever. You can eat, drink. Yeah, it's great. Does anybody have any good tips on how to choose your lipstick? Because honestly, I have no idea. Well, I think I'm going to be going into the middle right here, which is kind of in between these two. So this is the color Nudo Shimmer. Ooh, good, there's shimmer in it. I forgot we're going for that glowy look today. Alright, and I'm going to be doing something different today. You might see a lot of celebrities and beautiful people out there, how they do their lipstick. It's a little different than what I do, so I'm going to be doing this today, and I will show you what I'm going to do. So, like normal, don't talk when you're putting lipstick on. So like normal, I'm going to be applying it to the bottom lip first. I don't know why, that's just what I do. Alright, so now for the top, this is the secret. So let me just apply it to my lips and then I'll show you. Alright, are you ready? Here's what they do. What you're gonna do is basically just draw over your Cupid's bow to make it look like one lip. And then look how full your lips look. It's crazy. Alright guys, well this is the end of this video. Let me know what you thought about this sort of glammy, natural sort of look. It was super easy, super fun. Only took about 10-15 minutes, so if you're on the rush, you can quickly do this look. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought. Give this video a like too if you enjoyed it, and remember to hit that subscribe button. Join the family. As always, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!